la! Your dream vacation to Thailand starts from 19,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
We are separate WhatsApp groups actually.
What is the weirdest name of one of the WhatsApp?
It's called G Gang, which is
G Gang.
called Guhagar Gang. That's where we shot. We couldn't believe it. Like Abhay and I were like, what's happening? What's happening? There was a point where he was trying to throw some juice on me, and I'm trying to open the door. Then I've poked him with a key, and I've gone inside. We had this crazy experience with someone who was selling water. Okay.
Yeah.
Now later, when we went back to our rooms, this was a second schedule in Guhagar, so we were very used to our rooms. We wanted the same rooms, so we went back to our rooms. So Abhay said, "Okay, chal, abhi train ki journey enact karke dikha." So I picked up like a bottle, like a full carton of water, and then I was saying, "Pani wala, pani wala, pani wala." I was auditioning for good 6-7 years before I cracked my first web series as well.
Yeah.
And at that time, I remember I was also not that kind of actor who used to get ads very often. Like there were some actors who I used to see in every third ad. And I used to look at my mum and I used to be like, मुझे ads भी नहीं मिल रहे. Every day I used to go to 5 or 6 auditions. I used to go to Aram Nagar with a bag of clothes and go from one bungalow to another and just keep auditioning for whatever. Get shortlisted, this, that. And every time you used to audition and not get it, used to feel like you're failing an exam. Leading up to meeting Alia, I was very nervous actually. The day I was supposed to meet her, I was, even the night before that, I was, like thinking, and I was telling my sister also that I don't know how will the meeting be, what will it be like, and so I had that anticipation because I'm such a huge fan of Alia's. She was one of the first few celebrities to follow me on Instagram when my announcement of Bunty Bubbly happened. And I was shocked, like I was showing the world, I was showing all my friends, oh my god, Alia Bhatt is following me, Alia Bhatt is following me, Alia Bhatt is following me. Like, I swear I had that moment. I have stood outside Shah Rukh sir's house on his 50th birthday. And I've been in the audience. I've done these things for your favorite actor, and for people to reciprocate like that for me, I don't know. I don't know. I get goosebumps even thinking about it.
Katrina?
I would make a fan account for her.
Sunny?
I would also like to say that I've really loved all the songs on Shiddat. I still listen to them.
Well, I watched Munjia last week, and the moment I watched it with my mum and my niece, 3 generations together, and all of us actually really enjoyed the film. And I remember telling the producer of the film that this is gonna be a huge surprise, and I'm happy that it's a huge surprise. It's what the industry needed, and everybody is going gaga about Munjia and Sharvari, who joins us for a conversation only on Galata India. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
How have you been you being this MIA for the last 2 years? How does it feel to be back, and how?
It feels very good, very gratifying, and it's feeling almost pinch me, but I think it was a conscious decision the way this has happened. I know it's been a little bit of a time, but we were very, very confident of where this was going.
But Sharvari, I want to ask you, start off by asking that nobody discouraged this film. It's not about discouraging, but nobody even expected this film to do the numbers that it's doing. So when it's doing the numbers that it's doing, how does it make you feel? Did the first day numbers, and more than the first day, the second day numbers, leave you thrilled?
Honestly, you're right actually. We were all hoping and praying and wishing that it becomes a huge success, because anybody who works on a film wishes that for them. And I think that our cast is it's like a full family, and we are so close, you won't believe it. We literally are very close. We all talk to each other every day.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, we do.
Do you have a WhatsApp group?
No, we don't. We do. We have separate WhatsApp groups actually.
What is the weirdest name of one of the WhatsApp groups?
It's called G Gang, which
G
is
Gang.
called Guhagar Gang. That's where we shot.
G Gang.
So it's actually for Guhagar. That's why we shot in Konkan. So that's one of the weirdest names.
I wanted to know because it's so nicely shot. I wanted to know which place is that where you shot?
Yeah, we shot in Kudal and in Guhagar in Konkan, and of course we shot some stuff in Pune. But no, so it has been an underdog of a film, and while we obviously prayed and wished for this success, when it actually happened, we were promoting in Pune, which was the Monday, which is what also a lot of people were telling us will decide the fate of the
Yeah.
film, whether it, and we are hearing these new things for the first time in our life. So me and Abhay were also very like, okay, what's happening? But yeah, we couldn't believe it. Like Abhay and I were like, what's happening? What's happening?
No, but you guys deserve it. I feel
Thank
like being a part of that universe, I feel Dinu has a different brain working.
Yeah.
And I feel that it is working so well. Before we get into the entire universe, I spoke to Sharda,
Yeah.
and we were discussing on the Friday that it is going to do really well, XYZ and all that time, but the numbers had not come. And we were discussing, and that time I realized one thing when we were discussing certain things, that it's such a well budgeted film.
Yeah.
It's not about a small budget or a high budget today,
Yeah.
it's about being properly budgeted film. Yesterday Karan Johar also at an event said that the budget always usually depends on the actors eventually because of the high prices that they commission and get. Do you think that way this has worked out? Because अगर यहाँ पे सच में कोई ऐसा होता जहाँ पे वो बहुत ज्यादा पैसा ले लेता तो शायद फिल्म हिट होती, बट हिट होने में थोड़ा वक्त लगाती.
Honestly, I think that this question would, be a fit question for someone who has kind of been through this journey and who understands the logistics of this. I think that I'm fairly new to
Yeah.
this. I don't understand this very well at this point. I think for me, it was just about the fact that it was a great project, and I just wanted to be a part of it. And I told Aditya sir also that if any actor who would have said no to this will feel FOMO. Not
Yeah.
because of its success, but because of how it's been made. When you watch the film, you're just like, oh my God, this fantasy world is just incredible. And to be able to be a part of it in any capacity is just, I'm just grateful.
But when you speak about the fun moments, tell
Yeah.
us something that you've told me that there are a lot of BTS videos which you've not put out. You have to tell us 2 things that you guys have done which is not out yet.
There are lots of BTS videos of me and Abhay because, we were like Tom and Jerry. क्योंकि हमारी साथ में मतलब हम बेसिकली वी लव स्पेंडिंग टाइम टुगेदर, बट हम एक दूसरे की बहुत टांग खिंचाई करते हैं. सो इट्स दैट लाइक बहुत टांग खिंचाई करते हैं. सो व्हेन वी वर शूटिंग वी यूज्ड टू it was basically like we were in some kind of a college this thing कि हम लोग shoot करते थे, वापस आते थे, everyone used to meet up in everyone's like one room. I used to carry Uno cards. हम रोज रात को Uno खेलते थे, we used to have,
जीतता कौन था ज्यादा
पता नहीं, हम तो बहुत झगड़ा ही करते थे सारे and बहुत मजाक की. Everybody used to have a lot of fun, but in particular there is one BTS video of me and Abhay throwing water at each other. I don't know what happened that day. It's just like running around, throwing water, running inside a room, taking another bottle. There was a point where he was trying to throw some juice on me and I'm trying to open the door, then I've poked him with a key and I've gone inside. So there is this crazy video.
You have to put it out.
We must. There's another video of, I don't know what was, we had actually traveled by train. And me and Abhay had we actually booked last minute. Okay, so all of us we had all of us booked last minute. So everyone was in one compartment, and me, Abhay, and Shraddha, who's our EP, we were in one compartment. We tried to go in the same one, but कोई मान ही नहीं रहा था हमारी बात. So we were like, ठीक है, चलो हम अकेले बैठ जाएंगे. So then we sat there. So we had this crazy experience with someone who was selling water. Okay.
Yeah.
Now later when we went back to our rooms, this was a second schedule in Guhagar. So we were very used to our rooms. We wanted the same rooms. So we went back to our rooms. So Abhay said, okay, chal abhi train ki journey enact karke dikha. So, I picked up like a bottle, like a full carton of water, and then I was saying, Pani wala. And Abhay was the snacks guy. So I was the pani guy, I was the snack guy. So the whole video.
I want to see this video. I don't know. I want to see this video for sure. I want to see.
So yeah, there was a lot of madness. This is not even it's the tip of this iceberg because we had a lot of fun.
The beauty is in the novelty factor, right?
Yeah.
Like when we saw the teaser, when we saw the trailer, we got a hang of the world, but we didn't know what was coming our way. Honestly speaking, it is a film that people have loved, like enjoyed. And I'm saying this because I got a message from my engineer friend in Pune,
Okay.
and he hardly goes out. He's one of those who will, you have to he's so lazy that you have to push him out to do something. Like, I've not seen Pune in the last 10 years of me traveling to Pune because they don't get out.
Oh,
I tell them,
really?
show me Pune, never. But messaging me on Sunday and I'm saying, what's up? And like, oh, half time हुआ है मूवी देखने आया. मैंने बोला कौन सी मूवी? बोलती मुंजा. मैंने बोला कैसी लगी? तो बोलता है कि बहुत अच्छा है, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगी. And then I'm like, second, he's like, and he loves spoilers. He's like, second half में क्या हुआ? I said, watch it. And after the movie, he messaged me back saying that it's such a good film. And I have it.
That's
like, people will say that, अरे ये बोल रहा है. But मेरे पास है वो messages, to be very honest. How many messages have you been getting, you know? You were so good in Bunty or Bubbly too.
Thank
And it's a fact that you were so good. Siddhant, you both were so good. Everybody was so good. But the film didn't do as per expectation, but this one has crossed all expectations. How do you cater to both sides of the spectrum?
You know, honestly, with Bunty Bubbly, of course, it opened a lot of doors for me in the industry. Nobody knew who I was,
Yeah.
and I got a platform which not a lot of people get. I got presented as a Yashraj heroine,
That's
which
true.
is a dream come true for everybody, me included. So for me, it was a dream come true. I absolutely was living my dream. It opened doors for me in the industry in such a big way that even when you say Munja, a lot of people, you know, when I was being offered films, it was because they had seen something or heard of
Yes.
me from Bunty Bubbly,
Yeah.
even if not seen my work. So I think that definitely got me to my second film, and I'm always going to be grateful because it's always a journey.
Absolutely.
You
And
know?
I feel like a lot of people have this misconception that, oh, Adisa wants you to do films only when you're a YRF talent. He wants you to do YRF films. But you are one of those examples who've done a film with Dinesh Vijan now,
Yeah.
and then there's a film with Nikhil Advani
Yes.
that we met and we spoke about.
Yes.
Again, the teaser is out. I've seen the
Yes.
teaser, and that's gonna be on a different level kind of film. You know, what is the biggest misconception that you had as an outsider which got broken when you met Adi sir?
Biggest misconception. You know,
Or
I
the
never.
myth?
I don't know. I never had a myth about Adi sir because not a lot of people on the outside really talk about him like that. Obviously, when you're in the industry, they speak more about Adi
Yeah.
sir. But when I was a complete newcomer or when I was auditioning, I didn't even ever think I would reach in the same room, forget being mentored by him. So I never gave it a thought actually.
But you know, you have had years of struggle before this also. I want to ask you that when you were struggling and you were going for auditions, how did you handle the rejections, and what were the kind of things that you had to hear or battle which actually took a toll on your own self-worth?
Honestly, I think that, you know, when I used to audition, and I was auditioning for good 6-7 years before I cracked my first web series as well.
Yeah.
And at that time, I remember I was also not that kind of actor who used to get ads very often. You know, like there were some actors who I used to see in every third ad, and I used to look at my mom and I used to be like, मुझे ads भी नहीं मिल रहे, you know, like I used to, every day I used to go to 5 or 6 auditions. I used to go to Aram Nagar with a bag of clothes and go from one bungalow to
the
another
other.
and just keep auditioning for whatever, get shortlisted, this, that, and you know, every time you used to audition and not get it, you used to feel like you're failing an exam.
Yeah.
Is the same feeling, and I used to relate to that because, you know, at that time all my friends were obviously in college, and obviously even I was in college, but it was like it used to, so तभी ऐसे लगता था कि exam fail हुए हो, because, you know, like you had that reference point because you were studying, so you used to
Yeah.
feel like that. And I used to, you know, it definitely was a, you know, an uphill downhill kind of a journey for me, but when I look back at it, I feel like I'm very proud of where I've come, and that journey makes me who I am. So I
But-
wouldn't want it any other way.
But do you remember anything that was said to you that really, really like got to you or hurt you?
No, actually, not really. I don't remember of anything that was spoken to me in particular that stuck by me. But I definitely, I definitely used to take up on a lot of, you know, like I used to do a lot of diction classes. I used to do a lot of dance classes. I used to do acting classes. Like I've gone to so many acting classes only because, you know, at that time my feeling was that when I get that one opportunity,
I'll make the most of it.
yeah, I don't want anybody to say, अरे इसको नाचना नहीं आता, या इसको डायलॉग बोलना नहीं आता, या इसकी हिंदी ठीक नहीं है. I don't want that because वो एक opportunity मिलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है.
That's true.
So at that time, my brain used to work that, okay, which is the next class that I can attend, or what can I do so that when I get that chance, I'm not falling back.
That is true. That is true.
Yeah.
But tell me something, when you are talking about all of this, about the years that you've spent, right? Um, Amid all of this, has there ever been a point where you've almost been finalized for something and then you had to receive a heartbreak that no, they're not going ahead with you?
Yeah, many times.
How did you treat that? How did you take that in?
It's always upsetting to, you know, when you put your heart into a place and you want it so badly because you want your first film and you don't get it. It's always a tough time. I wouldn't say that it's not a tough time. But then again, you know, I feel like films also choose actors. It's not just one way around. It's destiny, and if it's meant to be, it's meant to be.
But today you are in a space where you're doing a Veda, and then you're part of two universes
Yes.
actually. One is a horror comedy universe, which is a great universe again because it has got Stree, Bhediya, Ruhi, everything. And then there is, I am so excited
Thank
because you and I think Alia is somebody that I genuinely have immense love and respect from this generation of actors. And now both of you are gonna be in a film together.
Yeah.
And when are you starting that film? Have you already had like meetings with Alia? How has it been?
Yeah, so I have met Alia. We will start the film this year, and it's an exciting process. Leading up to meeting Alia, I was very nervous actually. The day I was supposed to meet her, I was, you know, even the night before that, I was, you know, like thinking, and I was telling my sister also that I don't know how will the meeting be, you know, what will it be like, and you know, so I had that anticipation because I'm such a huge fan of Alia's. You know,
Yeah.
and I've always looked up to her work. I've never missed her film in the theater. I have always watched every single work that she does. In fact, she was one of the first few celebrities to follow me on Instagram when my
Oh, wow.
announcement of Bunty Bubbly happened. And I was shocked. Like I was showing the world, I was showing all my friends. Oh my God, Alia Bhatt is following me. Alia Bhatt is following me. Alia Bhatt is following me. Like I swear, I had that moment. So like, and I don't know. I mean, how this has happened that I get to share screen space with her.
I think you manifested it.
I did. I have said in so many interviews that I want to work with Alia Bhatt that I think it is definitely, this dream is coming true. But no, when I met her, I think, you know, instantly she met me and I thought that she's the nicest person. You know, when you meet somebody
Yeah.
and you feel like, oh, they're the nicest human being. I just got that feeling from her. And instantly she said that, you know, I watched your Veda teaser and I'm very excited to watch the film. And I was like, oh my God, she likes my work. But it was a very sweet moment.
But you know, Veda is actually the run-up to that entire film because a lot of people are gonna see you in action.
Yes.
That's more raw. This is gonna be a lot more stylized,
Yes.
of course. But having to do action, I think that today, YRF I would credit because there was a film which was Ek Tha Tiger, and then there was a film called Tiger Zinda Hai, where they showed Katrina Kaif in that Noor sequence. It is one
Yeah.
of my most favorite
Yeah.
sequences from any action films.
Yeah.
And then you had a Deepika Padukone coming in Fighter, whether it's in Pathaan. You know, they have actually changed that game for women in action. Usually, action was always considered testosterone driven, but today there are big producers like Adisa who's actually backing projects with women leading the action. And I'm happy that there's a YRF spy film that's gonna happen with two women.
Yes.
How does it make you feel? When the offer came to you, what was
Yeah.
your first reaction? Because you're gonna be
Yeah.
opposite her, is what I know.
Okay. No, honestly, for me also, it's very too good to be true because I was just one film old when I got it. Of course, Munjha is my second
Yes.
film, but I was offered this film even before
Yes.
Munjha came and before the success of Munjha happened. But I remember that Adi sir actually made me go through an audition process for this film where I had to do an action-driven audition for like some 3 to 4 months. I didn't know what this was about. I was just told to go to an action class, gymnastics class, and just learn that. And he wanted
Yeah.
to see whether I'm able to pull it off, you know. And I didn't know what it was for at that time. I, in my wildest dreams, couldn't even imagine that it was a female-led spy film. Yeah, I mean, it's like breaking glass ceilings, you know.
But also
and
to be a
I'm-
part of a universe where we have, of course, Shah Rukh sir right here.
Yeah.
So, how does it feel to be a part of a universe that already has like Shah Rukh sir, Salman sir, Deepika, Katrina, Hrithik sir, and now Junior NTR
Yeah.
and Kiara as well.
My God, these are very big names
Even
to
Vani,
be attached
I
to.
love her.
Yeah.
How does it feel to be a part of that universe? Did you get to meet any of them?
No, I haven't met them in the capacity of the spy universe. Of course, I have met some of them at parties and at social gatherings. But no, it's a big responsibility. Yeah, it's a big responsibility, and I just want to work really hard, keep my focus in the right place, and just make it happen, because it's a big film. We're coming out with a film that is happening for the first time in India, and I really hope that we are able to take this trend forward.
Absolutely. And finally, how did your family and close friends react to Munjia? You know, there was Kriti who came, Shraddha who came, Sunny who came, all of them. How did they react to the entire performance in the film?
Honestly, everyone was so happy to seeing something new, and of course, Shraddha and Kriti are from the horror comedy universe. So for them to like it, and I met Shraddha even at the interval, and I met Kriti right after the interval. Even while leaving, she was, we were talking about it, and I mean, it's a great validation from them, because at the end of the day, their films have also helped our film in a big way.
Absolutely.
Because their films have done what they have done, and it has only helped us. We call it the Stree universe, we call it the Bhedia universe, and it has given us that boost. So at the end of the day, I must give them due credit for their performances, but for them to love our performance and love our film just means the world to me. And I've been seeing a lot of people dance on Taras in cinemas. And
yes, I saw that video. Oh my God, so many people are just coming and dancing.
It's unbelievable.
Should have.
It's like I was just so surprised, and I was so touched. I'm short of words. I never imagined that this could happen for my first song. I've only seen this with the hugest stars. I have stood outside Shah Rukh sir's house on his 50th birthday, and I've been in the audience. I've done these things for your favorite actor, and for people to reciprocate like that for me, I don't know. I don't know. I get goosebumps even thinking about it.
But how did Sunny and the family react?
Honestly, everybody who's been close to me, the best reaction has been that they got scared of me in the film. So I think that's good.
That's true. During the climax. So we have a quick rapid fire. I'm gonna give you names of people from your universe.
Okay.
And you have to tell me what is that one thing that you would like to steal from them. It can be a quality, it can be a film, it can be anything. Okay? Alia.
Her smile,
Shraddha.
her sense of humor,
Kriti.
her good looks,
Katrina.
her talent,
Deepika.
her entire wardrobe,
Vani.
her incredible charm.
Kiara.
This good luck with films that has been happening, the hit on the hit on the hit.
Yes, and it's 10 years of her today in the
Oh,
industry.
really? Oh, wow.
Yeah. And Shah Rukh sir.
Nothing. I don't want to steal anything from Shah
Steal
Rukh
him.
sir.
Steal a film with him.
I steal a film with him.
Steal a film with him. Make sure he makes a cameo in your film. I told Alia the same, that you make sure that Shah Rukh sir is there in your film. Salman sir.
The swag,
Hrithik sir.
the good looks.
And Junior NTR.
Just the conviction that he has in his performance.
Varun.
The wit, the charm, the fun. Yeah.
Rajkumar.
Oh, the sheer performance, talent, acting.
And Janvi.
Janvi, again, good looks.
Okay, finally, Jate Jate, I want to ask you that if you had a Finsta account, and if you could message anything to them which you can't say because you're Sharvari, what would you write to these people? Okay, Vicky.
I can say that even on his face that I'm a huge fan of his work, and he's just an incredible performer.
Katrina.
I would make a fan account for her.
Sunny.
I would also like to say that I've really loved all the songs on Shiddat. I still listen to them.
Oh, but you can say all this to them in person. What is that? What you will not? You can't say which you will write.
I think I'll say everything to everyone. Yeah, I don't need a Finsta for it.
Siddhant.
Siddhant, I'll say. There's nothing that I do that Siddhant doesn't know. Yeah, Siddhant knows everything. I would tell him that he's come a long, long way. We used to audition together, so I think I'm
Yes.
very proud of him.
And since it's the year of manifestations for you, if you could manifest a film with top 3 actors, okay, whoever you want to work
Okay.
with, in that order, 1, 2, 3, who are the 3 actors you would want to work with?
I wouldn't say 1, 2, 3, but I want to work with Ranbir Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, and Kartik Aaryan.
Oh wow, we'll manifest this so that we do an interview with you and them together
Done.
for a film soon.
Done.
Congratulations on Munjia.
Thank you.
May you keep growing.
Thank
and
you.
Yes, and may this tribe keep growing. That's
Thank
all.
you, thank you, thank you so much.
Hola! Your dream vacation to Thailand starts from 19,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.